Nightlife in Qatar, what it holds for travelers. What comes to your mind when you first think of Qatar? Luxury? Less alcohol? Or perhaps desert adventures? Well, what if I tell you that there's a different side of Qatar that comes alive at night? Yes, nightlife in Qatar can be a whole new experience. With bars, nightclubs, and restaurants lined up in the capital and other neighboring areas, Doha, Qatar has earned a name for itself as far as global nightlife hotspots are concerned. So, let's dive deep into some top places to enjoy the nightlife in Qatar. Meeting girls in Qatar. Being a single guy in Qatar sucks. The local girls are typically wearing an abaya, a long, black body cloak, and a shayla, a scarf hiding the hair and the skin around the neck. They are not allowed to speak or hang out with foreigners, except within a professional environment, so forget about dating a Qatari woman. There are some foreign expat girls, but much fewer than men. In particular, you have many Filipinas working as maids or as staff in shops/restaurants/hotels. They can be friendly, but many will be afraid to date foreigners. Or they simply won't have enough time off from work to meet with you on a regular basis. The online dating scene is pretty poor. Maybe half the profiles are prostitutes, and very few girls are attractive. On Tinder, you'll quickly run out of profiles to swipe after just a few days. You have some Qatar Airways flight attendants that are cute, but they are not easy to date. In the end, the guys who don't want to be alone often end up paying prostitutes. They are quite common in the hotel bars of Doha: Chinese, Russians, Eastern Europeans, Africans, Moroccans, Southeast Asians. Doha nightlife areas and hotels. Most of the bars and nightclubs in Doha are located in West Bay/Diplomatic area, near the beachfront. Ideally, you should stay in one of the luxury hotels that has a busy bar/club, such as the Hilton, the Intercontinental, the Sheraton, the La Cigale, the Mondrian, JW Marriott, or Crown Plaza. All of these are girl-friendly. Buying alcohol in Qatar. Due to World Cup, alcohol is now allowed in Qatar and no need of a license from the government as it used to be before, and this law is expected to reverse after the World Cup. Note, you are not allowed to import the bottles that you bought at the airport's duty-free.